All right, so this pretty much I'm gonna run through how to upload files in bulk using Zen Cart. I'm at the back end right now, and basically what I did was I went to Tools and I went to Easy Populate. You have to download this and install it into your back end, and then you'll come up with this file here. These are all the files that I already uploaded to the site. Um, so I'm pretty much editing this file right now to upload, and I have a couple left, two left. So what I'm doing is I'm changing the title to a different wording. So I'm calling this Bowflex, and if I go down here, call this Bowflex also. So basically, instead of going through to the front end and actually, this is the front end here. So instead of going to the front end and actually editing each file, so if we go here, um, we'd have to go to each one of these. This is what I was changing. I was changing Nautilus to Bowflex. So I'd have to go in here on the back end, change Nautilus for this particular product, and then go and change it for any other product on the list. So it's a lot harder to do. So I would pretty much, real quick, I'm going to go there, um, go to categories, and all right, so here it is. There we go. All right, so I'd have to pretty much go in here and edit each one of these. So I could go in here and go change the title to Bowflex here. All right, and everything is good. Let's just type this in here. I'm doing the URM MyPin manually because the plugin that we added did not work, so I'm just going to do this manually. So we'll go Bowflex. Alright, we'll just leave it like that. And everything else looks good. We'll just say preview, update. So once we update this particular product, we'd have to go through and update these one by one. And so the file that we're using is a lot easier. We'll just basically go in here and so it says product, product name up here. These are the actual product names, and we could just go in. I already changed all these to Bowflex at the top there. You can see the changes up here, and we just go through all of these here and just change the name. If it was the description, we would change the description in here. If it was prices. So you basically can change everything you want in here inside this file, and then re-upload this to the the front end. Now I know we have missed out a few things here, so quickly gonna go back and show real quick how did I get this file here. Um, Pretty much you can get that file by downloading it from the site and then edit it as you like. So you would go to Tools, go to Tools, and then go down to Easy Populate, and then you can go download. I just do complete products, and then categories, and then in this case I went to, let me scroll down a little further here. Went to brands, and I go to Bowflex TC5, right? And I changed the manufacturer to Bowflex, and then I just click all here, and then export. Once you export it, it will show up on this list. By the way, this list is actually, you can delete this from off your system if you like. But so in my case here, I have to find the one that's been downloaded today. So I just scroll through this and see which one has been downloaded today here. 929. Let's see if I pass it. Okay, here we go. So here it is here, 929. It's now 930. So it has to be the one that looks like it was this one. Let me just open it up here. So if I download, right, and that will download itself onto my computer. And once that's downloaded, it will show up and look something like this. And that's how you pretty much get that file. You open it up in Excel, and you can edit it as you like. Now let's see how to upload this back to the system. Now what I did before, when I uploaded this, we did it wrong. We made one mistake, and so let me show you what it did. So right here, instead of putting tread climber like how it was on the system, so if we go back to the back end, let's see if we can, I'm sorry, go back to the front end, right here. All right, so you see how this says tread climber? What we did was we had an S on here, so it says tread climbers. And so I was wondering why it wasn't uploading, but what happened was we did it wrong, so it created a new folder. So, wrong page. All right, so here it is. It created a new folder called tread climbers, which is what we put in, and it uploaded all the products in here under TC5. So we'll have to go in and delete this, but the first thing we want to do is go in and upload the proper file. So right now, let's go to Postfix TC5. This is the proper place it needs to be, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 products in here at this time. So once we upload the new products, it should have a lot more products than this. And so we're going to make sure that this up here is correct. Brands, then the next folder is Bowflex, next folder is Tread Climber, and then the last folder should be TC5. So let's go there and take a look, make sure it's right. All right, so we have brands, Bowflex, Tread Climber, Bowflex TC5. All right, exactly what we have here. Brands, Bowflex, Tread Climber, Bowflex TC5. Both of these are correct. All right, so when we upload, we shouldn't be creating a new folder like how we did before, but like here, but we should be uploading everything in here. And it's very important that we do it like this. We made a mistake here, put an S on the tread climber, and gets uploaded to the wrong folder. So very important. All right, so how do you upload this now? So pretty much we go back to the back end. All right, so we're going to go back in here into Easy Populate, and let me save this file here. Right, this is actually saved on my desktop. So make sure that's saved. All right, so this is saved on my desktop, and we're just going to upload it now to the front end of the system. So first thing we do is we choose the file, and we find it here. All right, and I just want to make sure this was updated recently, and this is not an old file. So I'm going to go ahead and change the view here so I can see the date when it was modified. There we go. Date modified 12/19, which is just now. Okay, so I know that this is the file we just saved. All right, so I uploaded it. See where it says, this is the name of the file, tc5.csv. That's the one we just uploaded. We just attached here. And then we're going to click here to upload it. All right, so it says file uploaded successfully. Now, it should be uploaded right now, so let's check. There's one more step that we might have to do, but we'll check first. So we'll go back to the front end, and we're going to go look into thread climbers. All right, we're going to click on TC5, right, and it's still not there. So I think we have to do that one more step that I was referring to. So let's go back here. So it seems like it says it's uploaded, but there's one more thing that we have to do. So we have to find this file in here, and we have to click import. So we need to find that particular file, and then we click import on that file. So it's called TC5. So I'm just going to find that in this list here. All right, here it is. So it says TC5, that's CSV. We're going to come over here. We're going to hit import. All right, and let's go back to the front end. We're going to refresh this. And now we have all the files in here. So all of those steps need to be done. We just need to, the links are there for the images. We just need to add the images at this point. I'm pretty sure we can add those pretty easily. So now we have all these products, and they all say Bowflex in the actual product name instead of Nautilus. Except we missed one here, so we can do that manually. But most of these are done, and we shouldn't have any problems as far as the name. All right, and that's pretty much how you add products to the front end in bulk using Zen Cart.